How many of you are concerned about the privacy of your data while using the online services? Obviously, we all need to have full control of our data on our hands. But unfortunately, whenever we are using the online services, we are transferring the ownership of our own data to third-party systems. Just for example, take an use case of travel domain. Whenever we are booking hotel rooms or airplane tickets, we are always providing our basic information to those third-party systems. And they can use anything, whatever they want. Like they can sell our data for their own benefit. And that's actually the very unfortunate thing for us. Like we are transferring the ownership of our own data to third-party systems for their services. So this is one of the major problem statements of my projects, which I have highlighted through a picture that you can see on the top left corner of this slide. And the other issue is how those enterprises share their information and store the information in their database. They have actually been using the centralized database management system. It's pretty easier for them to use the centralized server because of its ease of useness. But this sort of systems always have got the problem with regard to its security and the centrality issues. So what could be the better solutions then? So obviously we need to have the decentralized and distributed architecture that also ensures the preservation of user-controlled privacy. But unfortunately, these two features together in a single model has not been formulated so far in the user modeling domain. So that's where my project comes into play. In my project, I have developed a model using the smart contract and the blockchain. The user can get into the system through the smart contract, which is a piece of software that stores the contracts as rules. And it automatically verifies and executes all these stored procedures whenever the particular agreed term has been met. So through the smart contract, any users will be able to decide to whom his data is going to be shared, for how long his data is going to be stored on the system. So basically, all the ownership of the data will remain within the user. And moreover, different nodes in the system will be able to share the information in a decentralized and distributed manner with the help of blockchain, because blockchain is a distributed ledger, and this is one of the most powerful technology, which is also behind the success of the very popular cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. And in my model also with this blockchain, different nodes will be able to have the replication of the database. And whenever any transaction gets validated, then that transaction will be stored on each of the nodes simultaneously in the network. So it reduces the centrality issues and completely eliminates the single point of failure problems. So this model is basically a general model and is not just restricted to the travel domain only. Any other models which wants to have user control privacy issue can have benefit from this kind of model. And for this model, we have used the real-time data from the Airbnb applications in order to just testify the performance of this particular model. That's it. Thank you.